Do you ever imagine a world where computers chat with you, not just text you? That's the rumor mill around GPT-5, the next-level language model from OpenAI. We're talking a summer release, and it might just come with a mind-blowing feature called OpenAI Voice. Imagine having a conversation with your computer, but it feels like you're talking to a real person. No more clunky menus or robotic responses, just natural conversation, like catching up with a friend. Whispers online suggest GPT-5 is about to drop, and with it, OpenAI Voice could change everything. We're talking about AI that doesn't just write like us. It talks like us too, with natural human-like inflections. Get ready, because in this video, we'll explore the possibilities of OpenAI Voice and see how this tech revolution might just change the way we interact with machines forever. Before we get into it, you should hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's begin with a tweet from Sam Altman that's got everyone buzzing. Earlier this year, Sam asked, "What would you like to see OpenAI build in 2024?" Now, why are we talking about this tweet? Well, it seems like OpenAI is ticking off items from that wish list one by one. They've already rolled out improvements like higher rate limits, video capabilities, and enhanced browsing experiences. But what's got everyone really excited is the promise of a better voice mode. Now, let's zoom in on this voice engine for a moment. Like we mentioned earlier, can you picture a future where your car chats with you? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, according to an insider named Jimmy Apples, who's known for leaking accurate OpenAI information, Volkswagen plans to integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT into their vehicles starting in the second quarter of 2024. And guess what? That's just around the corner. So we could be hearing more about OpenAI's voice engine very soon. But why all the fuss about this voice engine? Well, think about it. Just days ago, OpenAI trademarked the term voice engine. And remember that lifelike robot demo? It's likely that the voices used in that demo were powered by this very technology. So, when Jimmy Apples dropped hints about Volkswagen jumping on the generative AI bandwagon, I best believe everyone started to pay attention. The timing lines up perfectly with OpenAI's recent moves, and it's got AI enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the big reveal. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? Well, it's clear that OpenAI is making rapid strides towards enhancing our everyday experiences with artificial intelligence. From voice-enabled cars to more intuitive virtual assistants, the possibilities are endless. And while we're inching closer to the elusive goal of AGI, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Sam Altman's call for patience reminds us that the journey towards AGI is as much about responsibility as it is about innovation. Keep an eye out for announcements from OpenAI, especially between April 1st and 7th. But that's not all. OpenAI is also making moves in Hollywood. Recently, there's been a lot of buzz about the startup courting film studios and directors with their new AI video generation tool. CEO Sam Altman even attended parties in LA during Oscars weekend to pitch the idea to industry insiders. The goal is to break into the movie business and revolutionize filmmaking with AI technology. Imagine a world where AI assists filmmakers in creating stunning visuals and effects, or even generating entire scenes autonomously. It's not just a pipe dream. It could soon be a reality thanks to OpenAI's innovative approach to video generation. And with meetings scheduled with Hollywood heavyweights, it seems like the entertainment industry is taking notice. So, what does all this mean for the future of entertainment? Well, for one, it could lead to a whole new era of filmmaking where creativity is enhanced by AI-powered tools. Directors and studios could leverage this technology to streamline production processes, cut costs, and push the boundaries of visual storytelling. And with OpenAI leading the charge, the possibilities are endless. But of course, with every leap forward in technology come questions about ethics and responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's important to consider the implications for privacy, creativity, and the workforce. OpenAI's foray into Hollywood is exciting, but it also raises important discussions about the role of AI in shaping our cultural landscape. Now, you might be wondering, why is OpenAI's move into Hollywood such a big deal? Well, let's break it down. First off, there were concerns floating around that AI technology could potentially disrupt the traditional filmmaking process. Some feared that it might replace human writers and diminish the creative spirit of the industry. But now, it seems like those fears may not be entirely justified. You see, OpenAI's new AI video generation tool is poised to make waves in Tinseltown. The startup has been busy courting film studios and directors, with CEO Sam Altman even making appearances at LA parties during Oscars weekend to drum up interest. The goal is to revolutionize filmmaking by integrating AI technology into the creative process. But here's where things get interesting. Many are wondering about the accessibility of this technology. OpenAI's software is incredibly compute-intensive, meaning it requires a hefty amount of computing power and electricity to run effectively. This raises concerns about the cost of running the technology at scale. Will it be affordable for the average consumer, or will it be limited to a select few high-paying customers? Some industry insiders have voiced their skepticism, citing concerns about the feasibility of a public release. They argue that the costs and potential legal issues, such as copyright infringement and moderation, may pose significant challenges. This has led to speculation that OpenAI's models could become primarily business-to-business, B2B offerings, catering mainly to large corporations and enterprises. Now, you might be wondering, is this a cause for concern? Well, it depends on who you ask. On one hand, there's the worry that cutting-edge AI technology may remain out of reach for the general public. But on the other hand, there's the possibility that OpenAI is simply testing the waters with Hollywood before eventually making the technology more accessible to everyone. It's also worth noting that Hollywood itself has had its own reservations about AI. Concerns about AI replacing human writers and diluting the authenticity of storytelling have been voiced by industry insiders. In response, agreements have been reached to ensure that AI technology complements rather than replaces human creativity. Away from Hollywood and filmmaking, let's talk about GPT-5, the next big thing in AI language models. Rumor has it that GPT-5 is currently in the works and could be released sometime in the summer. This is pretty exciting news, considering the advancements we've seen with previous iterations like GPT-4. According to sources familiar with the company, GPT-5 is expected to be materially better than its predecessors, with some even suggesting that it could revolutionize the way we interact with AI agents. Imagine being able to call on AI assistants to perform tasks autonomously. That's the kind of capability GPT-5 could bring to the table. While we're eagerly anticipating the arrival of GPT-5, it's worth noting that OpenAI is also gearing up to release a new voice engine. This technology, which is expected to launch soon, could serve as a precursor to GPT-5, giving us a taste of what's to come. But what exactly makes GPT-5 so special? Well, according to one CEO who got a sneak peek, it's all about the improvements in reasoning and mathematical abilities. This could open up a whole new world of possibilities for AI applications, from customer service bots to virtual assistants. And let's not forget about the potential impact on industries like healthcare, finance, and education. With advancements in AI technology, we could see more personalized experiences and better decision-making tools that empower individuals and businesses alike. So, mark your calendars because GPT-5 is on the horizon, and it's shaping up to be a game-changer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of AI, there's no denying that these developments are worth keeping an eye on. Who knows what the future holds? But one thing's for sure, it's going to be fascinating to watch it unfold. There are also some intriguing developments in the tech world, starting with Meta's groundbreaking introduction of SceneScript. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has unveiled a revolutionary technology called SceneScript, which aims to revolutionize 3D scene reconstruction. Imagine donning a sleek pair of AR glasses that not only look stylish, but also provide you with real-time information seamlessly. Well, that's the vision behind SceneScript. This innovative approach utilizes machine learning and natural language processing to understand and represent the layout of physical environments in 3D. By training in a simulated environment dataset called Aerosynthetic, Meta's SceneScript has the potential to enhance our daily lives significantly. Now, you might be wondering why Meta isn't getting more recognition in this space. Well, their advancements are nothing short of impressive. With Meta's robust back-end infrastructure and forward-thinking technology, they could very well emerge as leaders in the AI landscape in the years to come. From LLM-3 to AGI, Meta is laying the groundwork for a future filled with groundbreaking applications. Then there's the Neuralink front. Can you believe it? The Neuralink team has managed to pull off something straight out of science fiction: playing Mario Kart with your brain. Wrap your head around that for a moment. It's mind-boggling to think that we're living in a time where such groundbreaking technology is a reality. And you know what's even more incredible? The positive impact it's having on people's lives. Sure, technology can sometimes get a bad rap, but seeing individuals who were once limited by their physical abilities now be able to experience new freedoms thanks to technology is truly inspiring. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more remarkable breakthroughs on the horizon. We also have something that left so many people absolutely speechless: the Unitree H1 robot. It is a humanoid robot performing backflips with ease, all without the need for a hydraulic system. It's the world's first full-size motor-driven humanoid robot capable of such agile maneuvers. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, typically, robots with this level of agility rely on complex hydraulic systems to pull off such feats. But not the Unitree H1. This robot is breaking barriers and showcasing just how advanced robotics technology has become. And get this, it's not just about flashy stunts. This kind of flexibility and agility opens up a world of possibilities for robotics in various industries. It's a glimpse into the future, and let me tell you, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Then there's HopeCore, making waves in the tech community. What exactly is HopeCore? Well, it's all about highlighting the positive impacts of technology amidst the doom and gloom that often surrounds discussions about AI and tech. Take the Neuralink breakthrough, for example. Instead of focusing solely on the potential risks, let's celebrate the incredible opportunities it presents for improving people's lives. It's about finding that light at the end of the tunnel and recognizing the immense potential for good that technology holds. And trust me, there's plenty to be hopeful about. Now let's talk about something that's been trending in the tech community: the exponential growth of AI compute. Just take a look at this graph, which showcases the staggering increase in AI compute over the years. It's mind-blowing to see just how rapidly technology is advancing. And if you thought the hype surrounding AI was unfounded, think again. This chart speaks volumes about the incredible potential of future AI systems. From reducing training times to unlocking new capabilities, the possibilities are endless. And with each leap forward in AI computation, we're edging closer to realizing the full potential of artificial intelligence. But amidst all this excitement, there's also a hint of concern, particularly for those in the healthcare industry. NVIDIA recently announced the development of an AI-powered healthcare agent that outperforms nurses and costs only $9 an hour to operate. Now, before you start worrying about robots taking over your job, let me put your mind at ease. This isn't about replacing healthcare professionals. It's about augmenting their capabilities. This empathetic healthcare bot is designed to handle patient calls, relieving some of the burden on healthcare providers and improving overall efficiency. And the best part? It has the potential to make quality healthcare more accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or financial status. Just imagine a future where healthcare services are not only affordable, but readily available to all. It's a promising step forward in the quest to revolutionize healthcare delivery. Mustafa Suleyman, the new Microsoft CEO, talked about AI at a big meeting. He said maybe we should slow down how fast we're making AI in the next 5 years. He thinks we need to think carefully about where AI is going. He said AI is changing the world a lot, almost like a new type of creature. Shane Legg from DeepMind agrees with Suleyman. He also thinks we should slow down AI. Making AI that's as smart as people raises big questions. We have to think about what might happen if we make AI that's just like us. It could change everything, like how we live and how we make rules. Some people say we should pause making AI for a bit. They think we need to be careful with this powerful technology, like we're careful with nuclear energy. We need to think ahead about what might happen if we don't slow down. But slowing down AI isn't easy. We have to work together as a whole and agree on what to do. We also have to talk about the hard questions about what's right and what's wrong. In the end, it's not just about making cool technology. It's about making a world where everyone can be safe and happy. We need to talk about AI in a smart way and make decisions that help everyone. That might mean making rules, being ethical, and telling people about AI. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check out other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing content for you. See you in our next video.